we will see how to replace the old ribbon to the new ribbon. Let's go. First initially we have to remove this the old ribbon. See, after pressing a key it will come up, while so you have to remove the ribbon. Initially I have pressed with the one key and then I am removing. See, one side I have removed and then with the next side removed. Then you can remove the ribbon holders both sides and then scroll the ribbon fully towards one ribbon holder. See, there is a hook which holds the ribbon, so you have to remove the ribbon from the hook. See, I am removing from this hook. See, I have removed, and then with the second one I have to remove. See, from the second one I am removing now. That's it. Then we have to replace it with the new one. Now open with the new one and then replacing over the ribbon holder. You have to make a hole in the new one. See over here, we will be making a hole to place in the ribbon holder. See, I have made a hole then to place in the ribbon holder. I have placed with the one holder, and then we have to scroll fully. Then cut with, after rolling, cut with the required amount and then make a hole, and then you have to place it again to the ribbon holder. After pressing a key I have placed over one side and then with the next side. See, then with the next side, and then we have to make it again to the second ribbon holder and then placed again with the second ribbon holder, and then you can replace it to the ribbon roll area. See, now I had replaced. Now it's ready for typing. See, now it's ready for typing. That's it friends. Thank you. See you in my next video.